Hey there, we are here at 4425 Notting Hill Drive, and it's a beautiful house on a hill with a 3-car garage that backs up to a cul-de-sac. Let's go inside. As you enter the home, you can see the living room straight ahead, but first let's check out this wonderful office. We've got wainscoting and these beautiful French doors. And then you move on into the dining room. Beautiful tray ceiling. And right past that basement door that's open there, you have a butler's pantry that leads to the kitchen. So then there are staircase to go upstairs. Well, let's not go there yet. Let's check out this full bathroom on the main. Tile shower surround. And then you have a bedroom on the main, but these people are using it for crafting. Look how organized they are. All that cool stuff. Now you have a closet door, and then this door right here leads to the bathroom we just came from. And straight ahead here is a coat closet. So let's check out this living room. You've got a living room with a deck that expands the length of it. And then over here you've got nice built-ins and a lovely fireplace with gas logs. You've got an eat-in kitchen and a kitchen with granite countertops and stainless appliances. And check this out. You can be right in here in the kitchen cooking and watching people out in the cul-de-sac if you wish. There's a cul-de-sac that the backyard spills right out into. You have tile backsplash. Then you have a 3-car garage. Look at all that room. So much room. But let's go to this back deck and check it out. Beautiful grassy backyard. They've got a basketball goal set up in this cul-de-sac. And stairs that spill down to a nice sitting area below. But we'll go down there in a minute. Let's go upstairs. In here you have the laundry, cabinetry, nice tile floor. Let's check out this master. The master bedroom has plenty of room. Obviously a sitting area. You've got his and her closets with tons of space. Both of you would have walk-in closets. You've got a separate tub and shower. Double vanity. Hi there. Throne room. And then look at this massive closet. It's so awesome. Still going. Still going. Isn't that incredible? So let's check out these other bedrooms. What do you think? Over here to the left, you have this great bedroom. Plenty of room for everything you can need. And it's got a bathroom ensuite. And then a walk-in closet. After this bedroom, we'll cross over. Here's your 2-story foyer. We'll enter this bedroom. And it also has a bathroom ensuite. It is a Jack and Jill bathroom that links to another bedroom. So let's check this out. Just so y'all know, this sloth is my favorite. So here's another bedroom. Let's take one more look at that from this angle. And now we can walk into this big bonus room, which could be an additional bedroom if you needed it to be one. There's plenty of room to build a closet. This is a huge bonus room. I'm just going to back in the corner so you can see how much space is here. So that concludes your tour of the upstairs. Let's head to the basement. This is a large finished basement, as you can see, but we'll wait to go there. Here's a bedroom, and then you have a full bath. Once again, a tile shower surround. You have this large storage area down here. Plenty of room for Christmas, Halloween, whatever. Then you have another room down here that has ample space. Plenty of room for workout equipment. But lastly, let's check out this great area under the deck. That concludes your tour of 4425 Notting Hill Drive. Hope you enjoyed it.